Got this bone stock 125 for just bought it. I'm not gonna tell you how much it was, but it's the motor's blown. The top end just blew out from the guy. I knew the guy before who had it. So right now I'm just rebuilding the top end, and then I'll show you what's going on once I take everything off. Alright, so we tore it down we took the motor mounts off and the radiator's gas tank, just enough to where we can replace everything in that top end. And then all the crap's over here, and I can't work in the garage because there's a bunch of steel framing crap, but there's 6 bikes back there. Can't see, one's behind the ping pong table, one's in our kitchen, and then one is in our van. The other couple are at my house. But I'll show you when this thing's apart, and then hopefully all it is the one of the gaskets or an O-ring just didn't hold up, or it's just old, but we'll see. Oop, canes. Alright, so we got the head off. The piston, there's a lot of plastic on it. It's plastic. It's weird, but see, we got flakes, and it's not metal. It's plastic. So these ones, the top of the head gaskets look good. These ones also look fine, but it looks like something burned up, or I don't know. But the sidewalls are really clean still, and I don't know, actually. I really don't. But oh crap. Ooh, new piston. We got the bearing, we got the wheel rod. 1 second. Yeah. See this bearing right here? Gotta give it a little something. Nice. Ooh, yeah. A little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's all really good. Ooh. Yeah, looking good. Gotta put a little bit on the O-ring, a little bit on the O-ring. Just spread it around. Turn around time. It's good to just put a little bit, a drop on the piston skirt. Make sure your hands are clean. My hands are not clean. Okay, good job. Now it's all lubed up. Alright, we just put it all together. Here, hold it, Dad. Thanks.
Top end rebuild.